Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the latest from Motorola, the Moto Edge 2025. Let's explore its features, design, and overall performance. The Moto Edge 2025 boasts a 6.6-inch P-OLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. Under the hood, it houses the MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset, ensuring efficient performance for multitasking and demanding applications. The device offers a dual rear camera setup, featuring a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, capturing detailed and stable shots. For selfies, there's a 32MP front camera. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, the phone provides ample space for apps, media, and files. The 4400 mAh battery supports 68W fast charging, keeping you powered throughout the day. In terms of design, the Moto Edge 2025 presents a sleek and modern aesthetic. Its slim profile and curved edges offer a comfortable grip, while the Eclipse black finish adds a touch of elegance. The front is dominated by the expansive display with minimal bezels, providing an immersive viewing experience. The rear panel houses the dual camera module, arranged vertically for a streamlined look. In conclusion, the Moto Edge 2025 combines robust performance with a refined design. Its high refresh rate display, capable camera system, and fast-charging battery make it a compelling choice for those seeking a balanced smartphone experience. Whether you're into photography, gaming, or productivity, this device caters to a wide range of user needs. For a visual overview, check out this first look trailer.